It was just yesterday, the 29th of April, 2025, that WGS stock printed this 52-week high of $121.9. It's now down, as you can see, over 42%. The stock is in a strong bearish trend. The earnings disclosure is what is probably the problem. It says here it's set for its biggest one-day fall on record. Company posted Q1 revenue of $87.1 million, down 8.6% from last quarter's 95.3 million dollars. Reports net loss of $6.5 million or 23 cents per share in Q1. However, beats analyst estimate for Q1 results and forecast a full year revenue above estimates. Okay, yeah, that's what is going on. A lot of data concerning this plunge, or generally about its trading data. This will be a worst close since February 12th of February 2025, when it closed at 70.97. Let's have a look and see 70.97, and then since went on and still went on and printed and still went on and continued to spike. It seems will be largest percent decrease on record. Okay, up 242.73% for 52-week ago, when it closed at 20.92. Still up 272.08% from its 52-week low of 19.27 on the 8th of May 2024. Yeah, I think it's even more than that. Yeah, so this is what's going on. This is its 4-hour chart. You see that huge plunge. The underlying trend now is, I think everything is now, because of this huge plunge, everything is looking bearish now. Even the 200 period moving average is now sloping down. So the extrapolation of the price on this 4-hour chart is that a rebound may occur. A rebound may occur. We're looking at Friday, the 9th of May. There's a good chance some ground may be recovered. These are just the extrapolations. There is no guarantee that that will be the case. There's no guarantee at all. Let's see whether there are upper projections that are still in play. Yeah, there are some still up. There are some upper projections that are still in play. 109.65, 117.96, 123.17. Interesting. Yeah, let's see. Um, let's have a look at the daily chart and see what's going on. Yeah, it's not here. Daily chart. Okay, here it's indicating that it's going to contract this plunge. This plunge is going to contract it for some time, at least the best part of May. The best part of May and early June might be used to contract this volatility. And maybe, who knows, it might spike again. So this is the plunge of 7th of May. Not the plunge as such, but it actually dipped even lower than what it is as of the 7th of May. Yeah, and since that time it recovered again. Who knows whether we're going to see the same thing? Who knows whether we're going to see the same thing? But this is the first time it's let's say has dropped below its 200 period moving average since since like a very long time. Since this is the first time it's, yeah. Let's see now. We have to go all the way back. This is 2024. Last time it traded up, okay, below that. Last time it was below its 200 day moving average was it was trading up below that moving average. I think yeah, in 2023. 2024 was a good year. Yeah, 2024 was a good year. Since that time, the whole of 2024 never came down below this moving average. So today has just done so. We don't know whether it's going to close below that, but consolidation is expected naturally. And but at the same time, it could also rebound. It could be a V recovery. You can see that the stock is a volatile stock. See, even though this is not a sudden plunge, it's not a sudden plunge. It was just a gradual retracement. You know, but we also saw a recovery after that, after some time. Who knows what this is going to be? But based on its data, well, I can't really say based on anything now, to be honest. But this is the most we can work with. Consolidation for the best part of May, and yet at the same time, like I mentioned, There's no guarantee that that will be the case. We can have a look at its weekly chart and see what's going on. Let's see weekly chart. Yeah, strongly bullish. Look at that. Look at this. Okay, no, sorry. The 200 week moving average is still bearish. You can see that that's the 200 week moving average, but it's really fascinating. This is a very if you're looking at if you're looking for a U recovery, this is it. This is it. This is a U recovery. Yeah. Now correcting. Now has not corrected. Um, let's see what the projections are saying here. Up projection, we have 132.17, 162, 160.27, 177.62. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Let's review again the 4 hour chart and see what the projections are saying here. Um, yeah, let's see what the projections are saying. 109.65, 117.96, 123.1. Let's just see what's going to happen in the next session or even in this post market session. That is going to begin very soon. So interesting stuff. Yeah, very interesting stuff. Fascinating stuff indeed as well. So just see what you make of it. Um, I don't know. It's up to you. If you feel safe to buy the dip, yeah, just be confident about that. I mean, is it that confidence is not the word? Just be careful about that. Okay, and thank you very much for watching this video.